Hey Freedom Fighters, welcome to the Health Freedom Show, where we show you tips, tricks, and real-world strategies on how to get healthy, stay healthy, and live the life you were meant to live. I'm your host, Morentin. In this show, I'm going to demonstrate how to do squats. Now, squats are a very compound movement. They work your entire legs, your hips, your glutes, everything. Today, we're showing you free squats, so squats without weight. So this is how you would, the beginner form of squats, okay? So like we said, you're working your legs. It's a compound movement. The tempo is you go down a little bit slower and up a little bit quicker. You don't really have to pause at the bottom like other movements, but you go down slower and up quicker, or you try to go up quicker, okay? So the positioning of it, your feet are usually a little bit wider than hip width. It's this one you have to sort of play around with and just find out what works good for your specific body makeup. Your chest is going to be up, your back is going to be flat, you're going to tighten your core, okay? And you're going to grip the ground with your feet, like literally pretend that you're gripping the ground with your feet, okay, as you do the movement. Now the execution of it, there's a few different ways to do it, but the two most common ways are to sit back and then go down, or just go straight down. I'll demonstrate them in a moment, but the sitting back and going down, that typically will keep your shins a little bit more upright, and you're going to lean over a little more, so a little bit more low back involved. That's like more like a power squat. And then going straight down, that you're gonna keep your upright a little bit more, but your ankles are gonna have more flexibility and have more movement, especially at the beginning. So that to go straight down, you need to have more ankle flexibility. Okay, and again, it's just something that you play around with, and you do what you are capable of and what your body is made up for, because we all have different levers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate both different ways. The sit back first and the straight down second. Okay, so the sit back way of squatting, you just literally, like we said, grab the ground with your feet, like brace everything, tighten all this in here, and you just sit back and then go down, boom. Sit back and then go down. Similar to the stiff-legged deadlift, where when you go up, you just go up, just straight up. You don't hyperextend, okay? Now, the other way to do it is where you just go straight down. And remember, you're going to have more ankle flexibility with that one. And the ankle flexibility is going to be at the beginning of the movement. So hips just going straight down. Okay, so that's how to do squats with proper form. So what is your favorite leg exercise? Do you like to do squats? Post your answer in the comment below. I'm really curious. Okay, Freedom Fighters, so thank you for watching today. Remember to subscribe to the myfitlife channel and newsletter for tips, tricks, and real-world strategies on how to get healthy, gain confidence, and have amazing energy. This is Morentin with the Health Freedom Show. Thank you, and have a beautiful day. Peace.